he's on. Hopefully it's a hogfish snapper. Oh, damn, he's pulling. He's pulling, guys. What's going on, everybody? Derek here from Hooked on Fishing for Real. Guys, today is a beautiful day. I'm going to be out fishing today. I'm going to be going offshore about 15 miles. Going to do some hog fishing. Never done that before, and so I'm pretty thrilled about it. Found a couple honey holes that I'm going to try out, and hopefully they'll be very productive, and I can give you guys a great video to enjoy. But anyway, you guys stay right there. Don't go anywhere, because I'm about to get hooked onto some fish, and that is for real. All right, let's do this. Okay guys, I'm at my spot now, and I'm just a little bit off my mark, but I'm going to fish right here. I'm only probably 20 feet away from my mark. I got my anchor out right now, and so I'm going to drop down a shrimp and see if I can catch a hogfish right here. This is just my first spot. Let's see what this spot is producing though. Alright guys, wish me luck. Alrighty, let's see what I can pull up. Okay. Alright guys, so here's what I'm using to catch these hogfish. This is my setup right here. I'll show you guys real quick. There's what I got. That's a 1/2 ounce egg sinker, and I got 3 little beads on there, and I got a 1/0 hook, circle hook. And I got the shrimp hooked through the tail there, so, uh-oh. Thing about this thing is getting, I don't want to get, here we go. Alright guys, let's see here. Let's see what's, I'm just going to drop it down right here. And I'm going to put my, let's see here, we're going to drop this down. It's all the way down to the bottom. I think I'm on the bottom there. Let's see here. Still going. Thing about fishing for hogfish is you gotta leave it on the bottom. Alright, I think I'm on the bottom now. Let's see here. Let's see what I get off of this. Got one, guys. Oh, he's on. Hopefully it's a hogfish snapper. Oh, damn, he's pulling. He's pulling, guys. He's pulling. Yeah, baby. Let's see what I got. Hopefully it's a hogfish, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a nice. Oh, it's a hogfish, guys! Yeah, I got my first hogfish! Hell yeah! Look at this! Here he is, guys. Look at this. First hogfish snapper. Yeah, baby! Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Got him, guys. Oh, yeah. Got him. Oh, yeah. That's another hoggy. Oh, yeah. That's another hoggy. He might not be as big as the other one, but let's see. Oh, he's running. Oh, it's a triggerfish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. It's a triggerfish, guys. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. It's a triggerfish. First triggerfish I ever caught too. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh, look at that triggerfish, guys. First triggerfish I ever caught. Wow, today is a good day. Alright guys, we're gonna do this again. That was fun. There's a bunch of fish down there. They just swimming all along the bottom. Alright, let's do it again. Here we go. So that's two different types of fish species I done caught already. I've caught my first hogfish, and then I caught my first triggerfish. Here we go. We're gonna do this again. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Check this out. Gonna do it again. Oh yeah. Get this out of the way here. Okay. Alright, here we go. It's those triggerfish trying to get this. Oh, I'm getting bites, guys. Here we go. Oh, I'm on, guys. I'm on. There we go. Oh, it's a grouper, guys. Look at this. Can't keep him, but oh yeah. Look at that. It's a grouper. Oh yeah, baby. There you go, guys. Red grouper. Man, this spot is hot today. I'm telling you. It is hot, guys. Oh, got one on, guys. Oh, man. He got off. He was on, though. He was on. He was just swimming around. He was definitely on. Let's see if I can redeem myself and get him again. He was on. Bam, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a grouper. I'm not letting him get away. That is a grouper. He's trying to dive. Get him up out of that hole. There we go. I got him. I got him. I got him now. There we go. Yeah, he was trying to dive on me. Oh wow, what is this? Oh yeah, it's a gag. Look at this, guys. Look at this gag. Oh, nice gag. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, he swallowed that hook. Oh my gosh, look at this. The fishing is really good today. The fishing gods are blessing me, should I say. Wow, he swallowed this hook. Well, he didn't swallow it, but this, I just gotta get it out of the, I'll get it out of the side of his mouth and show you guys real quick. Come on. Come on. There we go. There he is. Look at this. Look at this gag. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. This is a really good day, guys. Really good day. He's probably, let's see, I can tell you how, I'll tell you guys how long he is. He is, this gag is, he's 15.5 inches long. All right, bye-bye. All right, wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. Yeah, baby, this is what I love to do. All right, here we go. I know it's on the bottom already, probably getting ate. There we go, guys. Oh yeah, there we go. I got him. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. He's swimming up this way towards the boat. What I got? Little lane. Oh, a little lane snapper. Actually, no, it's a yellowtail. Look at this, guys. This is how you know this is a good spot. Now, I done caught 4 different types of fish species so far. I caught a hogfish, a triggerfish, a red grouper, and now look at this. This is what's taking my bait. A yellowtail, guys. A yellowtail. Oh, there we go, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's on. Oh, yeah. He tried to swallow that sucker. Oh, yeah. He's fighting. Let it be a hogfish. Let it be another hogfish, please. He's fighting. He's a big one, though, whatever it is. He's a keeper, I can tell you that. The way he's fighting. Yep. Oh, yeah. What we got? Oh, that's a nice porgy. I'm keeping that porgy. Look at this porgy, guys. And that's a nice porgy. I'm going to keep him. Look at this. Look at that, guys. That's a big porgy. Keeping his ass. Oh, yeah. Calm down, buddy. While he's bleeding out, I'm going to throw another shrimp out there. I've vented him. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shrimp. Now there's 4 left. All right. All right, here we go. We're gonna do it again. It's a good day today, guys. I haven't been offshore in a while. It's been since last year. So I'm glad I came out. Got him, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, he's pulling. Oh, he's pulling drag. That might be a hogfish. Oh yeah, that might be a hog. Oh yeah, that might be another hog. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got, guys. Oh yeah, look at this hogfish. Oh, nice. Look at this, guys. Another hogfish. Oh, he's so pretty. Look at this. I gotta show you guys this. I gotta show you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Another hogfish, guys. Yeah, woo, baby. Man, that was fun. So I caught 2 hoggies. One was a keeper, the other one had to let go. I'm glad he made it. He revived himself. I vented him, but he was still floating on top of the water, and then as he got further out, I did see him dive back down, so I did it right. All right. Okay, here we go. I'm on the bottom. There we go, guys. I'm on. Oh, that might be a grouper. Let's see. Oh, shit. He's pulling drag like crazy. What is this? Could be a yellowtail or a vermilion. Let's see. What we got? What we got? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at this. he is, guys. Look at that. Nice. I'm gonna measure him. He's probably about 15 inches. He is actually, he is 13 inches, guys. He's 13 inches. Well, guys, what a great day out here on the water. I came out here to target those hogfish, and I caught 2 of them. First hogfish I ever caught in my life. Also caught a triggerfish. I caught yellowtail. I caught red grouper. I caught gag grouper. I caught porgies. Guys, this spot is hot. I'm telling you. And man, this is my new honey hole. Now I got other honey holes too, but this one I'll definitely be back to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed catching fish for you guys. If you guys have any questions about my spots, how I found them or whatnot, you know, list them in the comment section and I will be sure to get back with you guys. Anyway, guys, I want you guys to get out there and get hooked on fishing, and that is for real. All right, that's all I have for you today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.